Self-confidence is the key to success in life. Do you want your child to be more confident to face the world?
Opportunity by me for having Mr. Madhavan for our personality developer. I've learned many things like while talking we should have an eye contact with everyone in the group, which shows our personality and how we represent ourselves. Grooming is one of the things shows that how much we care for ourselves. And it's just the body language, how we represent ourselves. And the obvious things are not stated. Making handshake for more than 3 seconds is not necessary. And
Wonderful session from the personal developer, Mr. Madhavan sir. And I have learned so much of things from him, and I wanted to appeal this in my daily livelihood.
Thanks to Mr. Madhavan for the wonderful session. Thanks to J.N.N.